Theralase roll cart and boom arm assembly. Hello, my name is Rick Levine and I'm with Theralase. Thank you for purchasing your Theralase laser. We're going to take a few minutes to show you how to assemble the roll cart and boom arm. It's very simple. Just follow these quick, easy steps. Your roll cart and boom arm assembly will arrive in a protective shipping container that weighs about 50 pounds. Carefully open and distribute the contents of the box, which contains the printed instruction manual, all assembly tools, and 7 pieces of specialized hardware that will be easily assembled within a few minutes. Take everything out of the box and carefully lay all the parts out on the floor before you. Of the 7 pieces, the largest piece is the base plate. When removing the heavy metal base plate that is attached to the 5 wheels, get a good grip and handle with care. Notice the plastic bag attached to the underside of the heavy base plate. Shortly you will need to use the black bolt, which is to be found inside this bag. This base plate has some weight to it and you want to lift it gently and put it down slowly. The small package contains the laser head holders and all assembly tools. Now it's time to unwrap all the various pieces of the roll cart prior to assembly. Number 1, we have the main vertical column. Number 2, we have the clamps that hold the laser heads. Number 3, the magnetic base for the advanced controller. Number 4, the boom arm. 5, the card handle. 6, the basket. And of course, number 7, the heavy base plate. Use the supplied wrench to temporarily remove the silver bolt and washer, and it would be best to place some folded towels beneath the base plate to catch the plate as it is released and drops to the floor. Now let's carefully place the main vertical column into the wheelbase. This next step might be better accomplished with the help of a second person. Line up the clip that protrudes from one side of the base and hook it onto one of the silver wheel arms as shown. Using the supplied hex wrench and the black bolt which was taped to the underside of the heavy metal base, let's reattach the stabilizing base back to the wheel assembly and bolt the base onto the vertical column as shown. Congratulations, we're almost done. The easy part is next. Let's take the magnetic base plate which will support the advanced controller. Loosen the clamp, placing this magnetic base plate near the top of the vertical column. Tighten the bolt with your hand until it feels secure. There's no need to over-tighten. Now, tilt the base plate to about a 45-degree angle as this will be the magnetic surface that will safely support the advanced controller. And just below the base plate, secure the roll cart handle in a similar fashion. The boom arm needs to be inserted into this special clamp. If necessary, use a little bit of spray lubricant to slide the boom arm attachment into the hole on the side of the clamp. Once the boom arm is successfully inserted, simply tighten the bolt to secure the clamp to the boom arm. Discard any plastic protective packing material that might be found in the mouth of the boom clamp. Now just below the handle, secure the boom arm clamp to the main vertical column as shown. And finally, let's loosen the clamp on the basket and secure the basket just below the boom arm. And the roll cart and boom arm assembly is pretty much complete. The only thing left to do now is to place the clips onto the basket that will hold the laser heads. And then place the advanced controller onto the magnetic base. The laser head clips can be securely attached to the boom arm simply by pulling out the tab and sliding the clip onto the fitting as shown. Take a breath and congratulate yourself on a job well done. If you have any questions or concerns about your new roll cart and boom arm or your Theralase laser system, please call us and we will be only too happy to assist. At Theralase, your satisfaction is our priority. The Theralase team is looking forward to hearing from you.